Hi, in today's video I'm going to explain the most common indicator, which is the moving average. The moving average indicator is the key indicator that illustrates the direction of price movement. The mathematical price average of a certain time, as indicated by a candlestick quantity, is used while processing moving averages. So, to determine the value of a 5 candlestick period, for example, the indicator divides the sum of their closing values by 5, and then the indicator advances one candlestick forward and performs the same calculations. You can create a smoother chart direction by building up a line of result values. By indicating the present trend, it smooths out price spikes. The price sensitivity decreases as the period lengthens. However, the price chart's lag grows. You can choose the period of the candlesticks and the calculation technique in the indicator settings. Okay, so let me now talk about the types of moving averages. So the first one is the simple moving average. The simple moving average, or also known as SMA, is an average arithmetical value for a given period. The second type is the exponential moving average, also known as EMA. Okay, so the smoothing works by taking into account the current average value on the previous period. With smoothing, the period decreases exponentially and never equals 0. And the third type of moving average is the weighted moving average, also known as WMA. Okay, it assigns top priority to the current price, hence the WMA chart does not depend heavily on dated prices. The priority of importance increases linearly, okay, not decreasing, but it increases. And the last type of moving average is the smooth simple moving average, also known as SSMA or SMA. So the smooth simple moving average takes into account a large amount of candlesticks throughout the historical course and in as much more smooth. Okay, so refer to the diagram above to understand better. So how do you use the moving average indicator? Well, the moving average is an excellent tool for detecting a lateral trend in which trading rules that differ from trading rules take precedence. Furthermore, the intersection of two indicators with a distinct time intervals aids the detection of trend reversals. Okay, so if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.